Hello friends, welcome. In this video I want to share with you a few tips for making macarons. And my first tip is how to add food coloring into meringue. I'm using powder food coloring and I'm gonna add into white granulated sugar. I'm doing this to make sure the food coloring is fully dissolved and there is no any clumps left. In the mixing bowl of stand mixer, add egg whites. I'm using room temperature. I do not age them. And then slowly start adding white granulated sugar with food coloring. This is a very important step. You need to add sugar into egg whites very slowly, a few spoons at a time. Do not dump all this sugar at once. Take your time, it's very important while you're making French meringue for macarons. And you can see already how color is changing while you're adding this more and more sugar with food coloring. The color is getting brighter and brighter. I'm using food coloring that it's called Haute. It's powder food coloring, water-based. After adding all granulated sugar, you need to start timer for French meringue. And when time is up, you stop the mixer, remove whisk, and check French meringue. As you can see, it has stiff peaks, it's very stable. And I have separate video how to make French meringue. I'm gonna list below. After that, we're gonna clean up the whisk. This is meringue we made. Now, are you ready for next tip? We're gonna be using pedal attachment from the stand mixer. Placing mixing bowl with meringue back into mixer. Adding dry ingredients, that almond flour and powdered sugar. And right here you have to be very careful not to make a mess. I'm using just a regular kitchen towel. I'm covering mixer and then using the first very low speed I'm starting mixer. And voila! I'm mixing macaronage in a mixer using pedal attachment. I have to tell you that this trick is a little bit more for advanced bakers because it's so easy to over mix macaronage and then you can go back. If you being more advanced baker and you're not the first year making macarons, then I highly recommend to use pedal attachment to mix the dry ingredients. And as you see, it's just a few seconds and macaronage already dripping from that pedal attachment, and I'm using spatula to clean it up. And I will be continue using spatula and my hands to finish macaronage for perfect piping consistency. This is what I have, and I'm using spatula to cleaning sides and the bottom. Make sure there is no dry ingredients left on the sides or at the bottom of the mixing bowl. It really doesn't take long, just a few movements. This is the consistency we're looking. You see, it flows from the spatula really fast, but it's not too runny at the same time. After that, transfer macaronage into pastry bag with the round piping tip. I'm usually using Wilton 12. And you can see the consistency of that macaronage. After that, pipe macaron shells on prepared baking mat and fill with your favorite filling. I hope my tips helped you to make perfect French macarons. If you like, subscribe and follow for more baking tips. All my recipes on my blog. You're welcome to check them out. Happy baking!